Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create memory flashback effect on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone. And first of all, I'm going to create new project on CapCut. And then since I don't have any footage to be edited, I'm going to use video from the CapCut library as an example. I'm going to go to the library and I'm going to select some videos from here. You can add your flashback video guys, and I'm just going to pick for example this one and also this one, and I'm going to add all those videos to my project, and I'm going to cut the video because the video is too long. Okay, wait guys, I'm still cutting the video. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to add my video to this project. We're going to go to the overlay, add overlay, and you're going to add your own video. Let's say that this is my video and I'm going to add it to my project. Alright, and then I'm going to remove the background of this video. We can go to the remove background option. Okay, we're going to use custom removal or auto removal. If you are a premium user, you can use auto removal, and if you don't have pro feature, you can use the custom removal. Okay, as you can see guys, that the background has been removed, and I'm going to reduce the opacity of each video. Go to the opacity and reduce it until 50, like this. I'm going to reduce the opacity. Okay, and after we reduce the opacity, we're going to add transition. Okay, reduce it. Okay, and this is the last one. Go to the opacity. Alright, now it's done, and then I'm going to add transition. I'm going to add superimpose transition. Actually, you can choose the transition that you like, but I prefer this one. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, this is what we have. Oops, sorry guys, I'm going to apply this transition to all my clips. So I'm going to click on apply to all. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create memory flashback effect on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.